Most people get this wrong when they start using reward gaming apps. They download Mistplay and just pick random games, thinking every game pays the same. But that is exactly why they earn so slowly. In this video, you'll learn how to find the best games on Mistplay to earn points fast in 2026, what actually makes a game high-paying, and how to avoid wasting time on slow progress games. And stay until the end because I'll show you a simple pattern that top users use to double their earning speed without playing longer. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay does not have one fixed list of best games forever. The high-earning games rotate based on partnerships, region, and promotions. So the real skill is not choosing one game, but knowing what type of game pays faster. Now here's where it gets interesting. High-earning games usually fall into three categories. Strategy games with leveling systems, idle games with fast progression milestones, and new release games that Mistplay promotes heavily. For example, imagine Alex downloads a newly featured game. The app wants users to try it, so it offers higher unit rewards for early progression. Alex can earn points much faster just because he started early. Meanwhile, John is still playing an old game with reduced rewards and earns much less for the same effort. But here's the problem most beginners face. They stick to one game for too long. When the reward rate drops, they keep playing anyway, thinking persistence will help. That is where they lose time. Now here's the simple rule top users follow. If progress feels slow in the first 20 to 30 minutes, the game is usually not efficient for earning points. Switching early often increases total monthly earnings. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to identify a high-paying game without guessing. Look for games that give frequent level-ups in the beginning. The faster you hit early milestones, the better the reward curve usually is. Also pay attention to bonus events inside Mistplay. These are limited time boosts that can double or even triple your earning speed for specific games. Now here's another important insight. Consistency still matters, but only if you are playing the right games. Even 30 minutes in a high-reward game can beat hours in a low-reward one. So to keep it simple, the best games are not a fixed list. They are the ones that currently offer strong progression bonuses, early level rewards, and active promotions inside the app. The biggest takeaway is this. On Mistplay, speed is not about playing more games. It's about choosing the right ones at the right time. If this helped you understand how to earn faster, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite Mistplay game, and subscribe for more clear earning strategies like this.